Welcome back, everybody. And when it's raining, we're training. By training, we're going crabbing. Hello. We have Dom and Mr. Eli. Rainy days are the best for crabbing because there's generally not a lot of people, just some of the diehards and some of the YouTubers like us. Right, guys?
Yep.
So, let's see what we can get today. Trap number 1. So I brought them
Seat warmers.
hunting seat warmers for -40. Works good in wind and rain. That guy over there is absolutely killing it. Yeah, not gonna lie, he's doing very good. He's got like, I don't know, 3 or 4 7-inchers. That's great. That's what we need to do, right, guys?
Yeah.
So I don't usually bring my bigger cameras out on the dock because salt water, I don't know how bad it is for cameras. I know electronics don't like salt water, but I always like see some cool views while we're here. So I brought the cheaper of the bigger ones, and let's just hope we don't wreck it. Dom's helping this guy out right now.
You want to pick it up? What? Yeah, flip the line. You want to dump it over? Unless you want to dig a little bit here.
Oh no, it's okay.
I typically do on side, but
Those are his catch. Those are nice ones. He's saying he had to throw back a bunch yesterday. Wow, look at that. That is awesome. So over there, this is Newcastle Island. And to the right of it is Protection Island. And right where you can see that blue roof there is called the Dinghy Dock Pub. When I used to have my boat, I'd go there all the time. It's a really fun pub. I know some of you are thinking I should fly my drone here, but I've shown in other videos that we're not allowed to fly drones here because there's a harbor air there. It's basically an airport. So, no go. As much as I would love to check all these little islands, it is a no-go, unfortunately. Hi, little buddy. Let him go. So I want to clarify one thing from the last time I made a video. I had a few comments saying that I was measuring the crab wrong, and I had to delete those comments because they were wrong about how I was measuring it. I don't know if they were from the USA, but no, I was right. It's even on a fishery notice on this dock. So the last time they were saying, what the comments, the rude comments, calling me an idiot, which wasn't very nice, was saying you're supposed to measure from inside of those, the outside points, you're supposed to go to the inside, and that's where you get it from. But this red line clearly shows you from point to point. Same thing with the red rock. So I just want to say, whenever you jump in the comments and calling somebody stupid because you think they're wrong, you should really do your research. And I have been crabbing, fishing my whole life. I knew I wasn't wrong, but I didn't want to start fights in the comments, so I just deleted it. And then I figured the next time I came down and did this, I could easily just show you something like that, which is on the internet, on DFO's site. It's everywhere. It's a quick Google. So really, people, when you're going to make rude comments like that, please do your research. for the first official pull. Don's gonna take the big one. Been 33 or 34 minutes.
You loving some?
That's a good sign.
What? Nothing?
Wow, look at that
my.
red rock. That one we might keep.
There's a keeper in.
Dungeness.
Yeah.
Wow, that is a massive red rock. Look at him. Look at the size of that thing.
That was
Look
like
at those
massive
claws.
claws.
Look at his claws.
Dip some on the claws.
Wow. He's a big one. That one we're definitely going to keep. Ah,
Look at that guy.
look at this.
Giant.
He's a big one. Look at the claws on him, eh? Alright, let's get her back in there.
3, 2,
You got the small one, Mr. Eli? I'll hold it tight. How does it feel? Oh, I like that.
No, feel it. It's so heavy.
Oh wow, actually it's heavier.
Really?
It's like almost the same heaviness. Almost as
That's
heavy as
crazy because
the-
that one's really light.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. I see one.
Look at that big one, Dad. Look right there.
Yeah, that one's definitely.
This one
that one's
kinda looks
deeper.
a bit-
He's a bit small. That one looks good. I think he's right on the money. Right there. Boom. Look at that. That's nice and easy.
The rock guy's almost bigger.
Yeah,
Wow.
both of them are male.
Uh-oh. Don't attack him, please. He's like the same size. The rock crab's like the same size as that Dungeness crab. Look at that.
That's nuts.
That's crazy. Sometimes it's hard to get these little ones out. You don't want to rip their legs off, so we'll just send them back down with the trap. They get to have a little snack. Some more hangout time. Nice, buddy. Nice work. So far, that's a very good start. Catching a red rock that's like the same size as a legal Dungeness is crazy. It's been a while since I've seen that. And one Dungy that was just right on the money, so that was awesome. Look how crazy the waves are getting. Okay, I think it's time to put this camera away. I'm going to switch back to the GoPro because it's waterproof and this is most definitely not. How does it feel? Heavy?
A bit heavy.
Want Dad to help?
I think I got it.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, there's a good amount in there. There's lots in there.
That one's the closest.
Just unfortunately,
No.
none of these are keepers. But there's a lot. So that's a good sign.
Oh, one made it onto the shore.
Okay, I think we're gonna move this one up a little bit. I feel like there's really small ones here. All right, Big Brother's gonna do number 2. How does it feel?
A bit heavy.
A bit heavy?
Not bad, though.
Oh?
Oh, okay. No, I don't.
No, he's too small. He's barely too small, I can tell. That's very unfortunate. Okay, well, let's dump them out. Yeah, unfortunately they're too small. That sucks.
Oh, seagull! Seagull! What do you call a female seagull?
What?
A seagull.
Second pull wasn't so lucky, but that's okay. Third pull we'll get all of them, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we got this. It's really bad out here, so what we're thinking is we're gonna leave these ones in for like a very long soak, so about 45 minutes to an hour, and then we're gonna pull it up, and hopefully there's some in there, and then we might call it good, or we might change our mind. We don't know, but right now it's just pretty yucky out, so I think that's the plan. Another 40-45 minutes. Okay, it's super miserable out here. The kids are cold. We'll pull up one trap. They can go back to the truck, start it, and let it warm up. They can dry off a little bit. Dad will stay down here, but they want to see one trap up before they go and warm up. And then I'll leave one in for a very long time. So we'll kind of do like 2 in an hour in this one, and that one will be like a full hour. We'll see how that goes. All right, so let's get this trap up so they can get to the truck.
Wasn't the big one that one?
It is, yeah.
Oh, that guy's a keeper.
That one's a keeper for sure. Nice. Okay, got another keeper. Perfect. Let's get this guy back in there. Okay, now the kids are gonna go to the truck and warm up.
Come back in one.
Come back at one. Very excited to have 3 though.
See that red rock? He's big, man. He's like the same size as those dungeons.
I felt bad for the boys. It's better if they just go sit in the truck and warm up and come back down in half an hour. Dad can handle the weather. I do work in it. I've worked in it my whole life, so I can deal with it. I just feel bad for them. But they do want to see the action, so I can't pull up any traps till they get back. Well, the boys should be on their way down pretty quick anyways, and I'm gonna say this is gonna be our last pull. The wind and the rain are getting worse, and even I'm getting cold at this point. So when they get down here, we'll pull it up, we'll pack her up. Did the truck warm up nicely for you? Huh? Cold, it's so bad out here, isn't it? Hiding, Eli? Alright, let's pull this up and let's get out of here. I haven't pulled it up since you guys left. Here, that will pull it up.
Let's pull it up.
Alright.
Last pull of the night for the day.
It's gonna be what, 5, 6 in here? So?
Praying to God.
Oh,
Oh, look at all that gunk.
see. Woo! That's a good pull. Let's get that one up and then we'll deal with the crab. Okay, we're just gonna leave that for a second. Let's get that one up. Figure out what we got. It's really bad down here, actually. Lucky, Mr. GoPro. I remember I was worried. I don't know what happened. Okay, is that one here? Ooh, right on the money. Okay, that's two more. We can keep him though. I'm hungry. I want it. Want to keep him? Yes. Alright, we'll keep him.
I mean, you just get the this one is good because you have two.
Yeah, let's keep him. Mila, for you. Let go. Oh no. Alright. There we go. Alright, that's 8. Not bad. There we go. Okay guys, we got our cats. Got 8 of them here. Thanks again for watching. We're going to get these off camera. That's a good time. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like and subscribe for a double up.